Coinbase Visa Card Review 2025. Is it worth it? So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So let's directly jump into the video. So let me tell you some pros of the Coinbase card. So it has no annual or monthly fees, and it has crypto cashback rewards. Spend crypto or USD or USDC, no credit card check required, and strong security features like instant lock, unlock, 2FA pin resets plus Visa Zero liability, and global acceptance like compatible with Apple or Google Play. ATM withdrawals up to $1,000 per day. And the cons and the limitations are crypto to fiat conversion spread typically 2 to 2.5% hidden in the transaction. And rewards vary and often decline. Early 4% rates have dropped to 0.5 to 1%. And daily spending limits around $2,500 per day for purchases, $1,000 per day ATM limit. And it has some customer service issues, like many users report delayed customer frozen cards and unresolved pending holds. So let me tell you, is it worth it? It is great for Coinbase users who keep USD or USDC balance, minimizing conversion spreads and getting crypto cashbacks on everyday purchases, especially when rewards are high. Needing seamless global debit card access with strong security, and not ideal if you spend crypto directly, paying conversion fees that cancel out rewards. You rely on solid customer support or frequent travel blocks, and pending holds can be problematic. You expect consistent high rate rewards, they are variable and often low. So let me tell you the final recommendation. The Coinbase card is worth it if you fund it with USD or USDC. You maximize rotating crypto rewards, and you are aware of daily limits and occasional support issues. So if you plan to spend crypto directly, seek higher consistent rewards, or require dependable service, consider alternatives like other cards or traditional cashback cards. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.